When you're preparing a fruit salad, a lot of time can be eaten up getting the fruit ready. Cut to bite size just does take time. So I have noticed from my family who loves fruit salad, a quick tip is to ideally the night before, you put a mixture of frozen fruit because you don't have to worry about preparing it. It's all sliced. These sliced strawberries come from Sam's Club. U.S. Chef Store has diced strawberries. I like those even better because they incorporate through the salad. All you're really looking for is bite-sized. These little berries are good, and these are from Winco. And they have strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries, so 4. But we're not going to use those today because I have some other things I want to put in. But you could use those. And these are grapes that we picked from, sorry for the ice, we picked from our backyard. And they add a lot to these too. So the main thing is to have them thawed before you serve them. It can be any size. If you want to make a giant bowl of fruit salad, if you dumped all of those bags that I've just shown you all into one big bowl, you have got a fruit salad for a crowd. And look how pretty they look when you can see the pineapple and the grapes and the strawberries all in there together. That's a beautiful presentation. However, I have 2 tricks. First of all, we have, many of our family have issues with sugar. They need to control or eliminate sugar completely from their diets. So I serve the salad that's properly thawed. I serve it as it is. And I serve a marshmallow fruit dressing on the side so that those who want a little bit more than just the fruit can have it. It works really well. So that's one tip. The second one is if you have any fresh fruit, any kind of fresh fruit you might have on hand, bananas or anything, apples, other things that are fresh, if you mix just a little bit of fresh fruit in with those frozen ones, it just seems that the salad goes to very good to over the top delicious. So I like to slice one orange that I have taken the skin off, slice it one way and then cut it in quarters. And then you have a really nice bite-sized piece of citrus fruit. Even if you have a few tangerines, I would even just peel the tangerines and then put like cut in half sections in there too. So the fresh fruit added to the frozen is a real good strategy too. So I've got another stack. I've only used 2 small oranges, and that adds to the beauty of the salad. Now, what I would normally do is get this salad ready the night before. And Joanne, could you get a shower cap? I like to use the disposable shower caps instead of regular plastic film to cover a dish like this. Look how easy it is to just apply a cover to this fruit salad. So what I do the night before, I've prepared this much salad. It thaws in the fridge and it looks like a fresh fruit salad. And I spent a couple of minutes cutting up the fresh oranges. But then the very last touch, you've taken it out, pretend all of this is all thawed. And then just on the top, you put a few, you don't mix it after you put this, but I like to put berries from our backyard right on top. And then look how dazzling that looks, how appetizing. But when someone takes a spoonful, they aren't going to all go in the same dish. It just keeps the berries from making everything purple if you put them right on top. So here is Diana's easy fruit salad. You can make this any size you need. I'd say if you're prepping snacks and lunches for the week, that you could put them in little jars or bags, divide them up, and do a fruit salad for everyone. It does not need dressing.
Now, you did say you put out marshmallow cream for them.
I'm on a separate post. We will put my marshmallow fruit salad dressing, and that is a very good accompaniment. And strangely, just a teaspoonful sets this beautiful fruit off to perfection.
Wow.
For those that can have sugar. So it's an easy way to serve both the need for no sugar and the need to have a fruit salad with dressing. There are just those two camps in our house.
It's beautiful.
So here it is, Diana's frozen fruit salad. If you were to cut up and prepare all of these fruits all at once, it could take a considerable amount of time. And what I like about this is it's so quick to put together. You just have to remember to thaw the fruit.